Alrighty. Third person.
Awesome.
Congratulations, guys. Fly New Mexico, congratulations. Congratulations, sir. We have FedEx Express McDonald Doubles MD11. This guy is the April 2021, Gemini Jets release. Awesome model, really, really nice one. Highly recommended. From Gemini Jets, really good job.